All right, just so I can get, hey, just so I can get this on video. Derek, what are you doing?
He's fucking.
Look, talking.
I'm walking.
Huh?
I'm walking.
No, come on.
Hang on. What's going on?
Huh?
Take a picture real quick.
Okay. Well, I was going to say, we're taking an adventure. Here's the sign. Little sign says Chontales waterfall. And here's the bridge. Derek is getting a picture. Marlon, he's jogging to the bridge. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We're not driving across it, are we?
Yes.
He said what? No.
Yeah.
Look at that shit.
I don't know. Are we? Look at it.
He said,
I'm
he
walking.
said, come on.
They got a sign for cars to come down here.
He's checking it out. He's looking at it.
All right.
Look, he's walking on it. It's fucking bouncing on this side. It's bouncing off the ground.
It's like the London Bridge.
It is like the London Bridge. That's how they build bridges here.
Is he saying come on?
How?
We're driving.
Oh my God.
Doing it.
How do you fit through here? There's tire tracks on here.
The mirror's gonna hit the pole right here.
We did on this side.
Okay. Look, the mirrors are right here and here. Really? Are we doing this?
We're on it.
I want to get out.
Oh God.
I want to get out.
Holy shit, Batman.
Oh my God. That's this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my fucking God. Oh Jesus Christ. Jeez, oh there's another tourist van or something behind us coming up. I'm trying not to rake the damn mirrors off the rental here, Lori.
Got it.
Oh, I got it a little bit. It's all right. I got the full coverage insurance, Marlon. It's okay. Oh.